Hi everyone, welcome back again to Beautiful Experiences for You. Thank you for joining and watching me. And today I've got a new box for the channel. Now you're going to be familiar with the company because I unboxed another one of their subscriptions. Maybe I think it was last week. And it was from Doe a Deer. This one is their Doe the Deer, and it's the Dearly Loved Club. Okay, so it's from Doe a Deer, but it's their Dearly Loved Club box. I think it's every other month, if I'm remembering correctly. Up on the screen, I will tell you for sure if it's an every other month or if it is a quarterly. Also, down in the details, you'll find a link to their website that you can check out both of their subscriptions, their coffee and this one as well. Okay, so here is the thoughts behind the box. She says, the older I get, the more I realize that every season has something beautiful to offer. This box is my little invitation to welcome autumn with open arms. To light a candle, brew the coffee, bake something delicious, gather around the table, and notice the beauty in the everyday moments that often pass us by. I hope every item in this box becomes a small reminder that home isn't made by having more. It's made by creating meaningful moments with the people you love. Okay. On the back, okay, there's a QR code if you are interested in buying any additionals or extras of what's in the box. And then they also talk about their coffee club. All right, this right here is a recipe. And I've heard of the first, but I've never paired it with what she is. So it's a recipe for Mississippi beef, plus angel hair pasta. So I've made the Mississippi beef before, and one thing that she doesn't have on there that I thought you were supposed to put is like a stick of butter, but maybe I'm thinking of a different recipe. But, oh, hold up. No, this is not what I was expecting. This is different. So this is with ground beef. I'm used to like a shredded roast beef kind of thing. So, oh, all right. This looks very easy to make. I'm going to try that out. Okay, so here's the inside of the box. Oh, and by the way, I really love the coffee subscription. The one coffee, the vanilla cream, I think is really good. It smelled really good and it tastes really good. All right, we got some coffee. This one is Fall Spice. And it's roasted by Grounds for Celebration. I think that's Des Moines, DSM, Idaho? No, Iowa. Goodness. So there that is. So I got me some more fall coffee. You are able to smell it because it's got that vent. This smells like a very dark roast, which I'm not used to because I like blonde. I'm having trouble smelling the fall, but maybe I'll be able to get that when it actually brews. Yeah, I'm not sure about this one right now. I mean, it smells like it's a, a dark, nice coffee, but the fall spice isn't hitting me. But again, not going to know until I try it. So there's the first item. All right. Next item, put that back down in there. We got a candle. I was kind of expecting that based on, the card that she had. Okay, this one is Fireside. It is made with love by Dirt Road Candle Company. The ingredients is toasted marshmallow, embers, cedar, and a good conversation. So that's a pretty label there, isn't it? I mean, it totally screams fall, right? So I am expecting campfire goodness, with campfire with some sweetness for the marshmallow. That's kind of what I'm expecting. So I've let it breathe because I have learned it never smell a candle right after you open it, because you're going to get a strong whiff that doesn't truly represent what the candle smells like. So let's see. Oh, this is good. This is really good. It's not campfire. It's got a light sweetness to it, but it's very good. Now, we have to see how it burns and what scent it releases, because I'll tell you guys, more and more candles are coming out that when you burn them, they don't smell like anything. Yeah. So I'm not liking it. Like, are you guys experiencing that? Especially some of these candles are like more of the expensive brand candles, and they don't smell. Yeah. I'm liking this a lot. It smells really good. And you know, it's been really cool here the last couple of days. I'm not going to jinx this. Let me just leave it at that. Not going to jinx. All right. Next, we got a soup bowl, or I guess you could put a small plate. Little cozy. I love these. I thought, to be honest with you, I didn't understand the hype. I really didn't. When these first started coming out, I'm like, I don't understand the hype. I've got 2 of them and I never know where they are. That is my fault, because I don't fold the laundry. Greg does, and he puts them away, and he puts them places that I'm like, don't make any sense to me, mind you. This last time he put it, we've got one of the cabinets that's like long and skinny that you put like your baking sheets in it. He put it in there. Who would think to look in there? Well, now I know. So I'm like, I was been missing them because I couldn't find them. But I love these, you guys. I really do. So this is 100% cotton, machine washable, cold, gentle cycle, hang to dry, do not bleach or use fabric softener, microwave safe. And that is what's so awesome about this, is you put your bowl in it, you put this in the microwave with your bowl, you're able to pull your bowl out, and it's not like you're protected from like the hot bowl. Now, I will say, I don't know if they all work like this. I know that 2 of the ones I got does. The third, I'm not 100% sure. But love that this one tells you that. And look how cute it is. And it's got their branding. So really liking that. Okay, next we got a Swedish towel. Fall is my favorite. Doe a deer. It is 70% cellulose, 30% waste cotton. Wash in the top rack of the dishwasher or in the washing machine. So I'm really liking these now, because you can wash them and reuse them, but there does come a time where you got to throw it away. So they're not just unlimited use. So I like that I'm still getting these because I am using them and I'm going through them. So, okay. Next item, we got, oh, I like this. This is not what I thought it was going to be. I actually like this more. We have got a table runner. Yeah, I love it. And I love the colors of it. And it says, fall is here. So that's what it looks like. I love it, you guys. I really love this. Let me show you size. And where I'm actually going to use this is on my kitchen island, because I decorate the island for all the holidays. And it was a prior fall that I used a runner to decorate, and it elevated it so much. This is also a deer brand. It's 100% cotton and machine wash cold, hang to dry or tumble dry low, do not bleach. I really need to get better at which items need to be tumble dry low, because Greg does a lot of the moving over of the laundry, because I don't have any problem putting it in. I don't like moving it over, and I don't like folding it. So, I can't expect him to read all the labels, because he would probably stop doing the laundry, and I don't want him to stop doing the laundry. So I need to be better myself, paying attention to the labels, and then like putting this stuff aside to be like, don't touch it, I'll do it, kind of thing. But I really like this, and I totally wasn't expecting it. When I saw it in there, to be honest, I thought it was a tea towel. I love that she did not give us a tea towel. But I am loving how well coordinated and curated this is. If you remember a box that I opened recently, that was a luxury box, that was a hodgepodge of items that you could tell they didn't sit down and like pre-curate their fall box. She sat down and curated it, and you could tell she thought ahead, she planned ahead, because everything is, going so well together. That alone adds value to the box, because it adds to the experience. And these things go together. You get a nice warm stew. You got your little cozy to keep it warm. We got one last item in here, and this is all up Greg's alley, because he is the baker in the house. It is by Lehigh Mills. It is a premium baking mix. I've never heard of them before, but I don't want to say but. Oops. I'm just not a fan of this. It's not taste. It's not scent. Flavor. That's what it is. Flavor. It's just not my thing. But this is something Greg's gonna like, and he will eat it. I can save it, to be completely honest with you. We could make them for Thanksgiving. That's actually a really good idea. But they are carrot cake, bakery style. It's a muffin mix, and it's got dried carrots in it. So I've never seen a carrot cake muffin mix. Have you guys? And maybe it is, and I just don't pay attention because I'm not a fan of carrot cake. I don't know. But yeah, so about this company, okay, I'll come back to 1 second. But about the company, it says Harvest to Home, small batch from the harvest. It's established in 1906. So it's harvest to their mill to our house. So it's small batch, established in 1906. It is family run. It is hand selected, and it has natural flavors. So you know where the product comes from. I like that. And then down below, what I kind of paused, it says behind the peacock. And it says the peacock stands for quality. Lehigh Mills creates small batch premium baking mixes with the finest ingredients. And each baking mix starts with their highest quality flour. Our flour is perfect for making fluffy and flavorful muffins and other baked goods. And they do have other products on their website, which is lehighmills.com. So again, there's the naming. And here is the back. Isn't that cute? Where it's like harvest to the mill to our home. So yeah, there you have it. Okay. Oh, in Lehi, Utah. That's where it's manufactured. Okay, you guys, what are my thoughts? I'm extremely happy. I think it's worth the value. I want to say it's like 60 something, but down below I'll have the price. But I 100% think it's worth the value. I love the curation. It is a very warm and cozy box. And it truly represents this season. And again, she put some thought and effort to it, which there are some subscription boxes you got to call into question whether or not they do. But there you have it. So this is my first Dearly box. Similar to the coffee club, I'm going to continue it, and I'm anxious to see what we get next time. Yeah, so there you have it. So, all right, as always, thank you for watching my videos. If you're not a subscriber, would love to have you stick around. I open a lot of boxes. Big things are coming this winter. I now have 3 advent calendars that have already arrived in my home, and I got a lot more on the way. So lots to come. So, all right, there you have it, you guys. Again, thank you for tuning in, and you guys take care. Bye, everyone.